Welcome everybody, this is M. Solomon from TTA Technical and Time Analysis. Today we will speak about the Gann fan trading strategy. We will know how to draw Gann fan manually, how to forecast the future support and resistance, how to forecast the future time change in trend. Also, we are going to use advanced forecasting method using Gann fan strategy. How to draw Gann fan manually. Before I start, the YouTube telling me that my second big fan is the Indian people. So thank you for the Indian people, and for that I'm going to use India 50 as an example for today method. This method we will use daily chart, and we are going to use Journalist Professional 5 program, but the same method can be applied in any frame, any chart, any software, because it's depend on a simple way and very easy way to draw it using your software. Well, the method and tools I'm going to use today is the same. You can find it in any software you are using, whatever your software. So we will start today. If you are not familiar with this software, please, I highly advise you to review my channel and check how to use it and how to download the data, how to use the simple tools and price tools. In the future, I'm planning to speak about Gann analysis and time analysis and square of 9. So please like, share, and comment and subscribe to the channel. We'll start first for we already downloaded the India 50 using the method which I mentioned before in the first video. First, I'm going to click on the cross to make it visible for me. I need this cross for drawing, and please, if you are using any software, please use this cross. You will find it in any software for trading. As you can see, the trend was downtrend, and then the prices start to penetrate it and test it again and start to go up until we make the first peak or the first major high. You can call it as wave number 1. This movement is very important to us. So we will detect this movement and we will start depend on it in our analysis. First thing, you make sure the snap to price is activated and you can go to rectangle icon. You will start from the bottom until the top. This movement is important for us as a price and time move. That means the stock or commodity or whatever the chart you are using is respecting this level as a time and as a price. So the angle is a mix of between the price and time. That's why we are going to depend on this as our key or our base for analysis. Second thing, you are going to go to price tool and choose price retracement. If you are using a different software, you can use Fibonacci, but you will choose to change the percent to this fixed percents. You go from the bottom to the top, and as you can see, the software automatically will draw you these levels 25, 50, and 75. If you are using other software, you go to Fibonacci and use Fibonacci retracement and then change the percent to these levels. The 50 is already there, so delete all the other percent and use 25 and 75. After that, you will go to this trend line and you will go to the bottom until, as you can see, the cross color is changing. That means you are in this point exactly. And then you drag to first level here and extend forward. And repeat this step for the next level. And then extend forward. And then do the same to the third level and then extend forward. This is how to draw the Gann fan manually. As you can see, the price respecting this trend line, which is a Gann fan, and also he respecting the horizontal line. As you can see, when we extend this level, he is using these levels as a resistance and support. After we draw that, we go to this corner and draw the opposite fan. We click on the trend line icon, we go to this corner until the color change, and then we drag until the color changing again. Then we extend forward and repeat this again for the second and third level. Now, how we are going to forecast the future support and resistance, and how we are going to forecast future time change in the trend. After we finish drawing these two fans, we will see that they are crossing in certain areas. This area and this area. Okay, and here also. These levels are important for us as a time and as a price level. So we go to the icons and draw vertical and horizontal lines to these levels exactly. And repeat that for the second one here. And this one. As you can see, this line detects the date, the trend, which the trend change from downtrend to uptrend. It wasn't the major uptrend, but he detected it. Then this line, the vertical line also, which we can make it more thick like this. This one also detect the change in the trend. Okay, and in the future, this line, which came from the cross between these two line, he was a major support here in this area. Now the price is testing it as a support level. If the price went down, we are expecting this level as the next support. Now finally, how we use advanced methods for forecasting it. By using this fan strategy, we are going to know for sure the future trend line and how the price is going to react on it. First, we have two options. First option is to duplicate or copy this line and go to the bottom of the top to this area like this. As you can see, in the future, when the price starts to reflect, he used this line as a support line and trend line. Also, we can duplicate this one and drag it to here also and see the effect on the future. And this one also. Another way is we go to the time tools and we count the candles between this bottom and this top. This is a 44 candle. So we divide the 44 by 2, then we will get 22. We go to the basic tools and choose vertical lines. And from this line, we draw like this and see the cross between the horizontal level, which we started the movement in it, and this vertical line. And then we drag this copy of the fan to this area and see what happened in the future, like this. As you can see, this level is when he penetrate this level, he confirmed to change in the trend to down trend. And when he touched this second one, he started to use it as a support, and then he start moving up, and now he is using this one also as a support here. And then when he break it, he went again and he retested it. That means he confirmed that he is downtrend. So you can repeat these methods using from this bottom to this top, or from this bottom to this top, and see what will happen in the future. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.